Okay, we're here again. This is where the video stopped. I just continue right now. I'm going back to the front, right side of the house. Neighbors, they got a lot of shit in their yard too. Air conditioning is working great. No damage on roof. Grass is cut yesterday, Thursday. Thursday. Today is Saturday, August 31st. So we had some rainstorms lately, but that's all good. It's good for the grass to grow in the bushes. I'm gonna walk to the front right now. Electrical boxes, water sprinkler. Billy's house, the neighbors, the neighborhood still standing. Okay, I will make a video in the middle of the hurricane so you can see the trees and the wind and my hair. Alright, this is Dundee 77.